Evaluation results in an individual report and how to solve them. For evaluation combinations not okay, so covered by evaluation rules, the automatic inspection will fire a warning, a red frame in the report package or task graph, and as text under warnings from automatic inspection in the overview or the graph. The text the controller has given under controller remarks will be shown. In general, warnings resulting from evaluation rules are shown everywhere where warnings from normal inspection has been shown before. This is, for example, under Inspect, in the graph, in the overview, when warnings from automatic inspection is selected, and in PDF export files if warnings from automatic inspection is chosen. Warnings coming from evaluation will be given separately under the subheadline Warnings from Evaluation. If you see warnings from automatic inspection, you shall try to solve them. You should check if data you have entered are correct, in case you have to adapt your choice, or in case your actions, e.g. change the chosen technology, see one of the examples, deliver output fractions classified as hazardous waste to appropriate technologies. If you change and choose a combination, the warning will disappear, but the evaluation will remember entries, combinations judged as not okay. So if you will use a wrong combination at any time again, you will get a warning again. For the evaluation options and examples of use, please see the video Evaluation Options and some examples under Videos for Administrators. For more information on the correct use of the RepTool, please have a look at the guidance document, Issues of Harmonization, provided at our website.